Today we're off to the beach for a super fun day. First, let's pack our bags with sunscreen to keep our skin safe, towels for drying off, and yummy snacks to munch on. Wow, we made it to the beach! Look at all that sand and sunshine! Let's explore the sand with our shovels and buckets. What treasures will we find? Ooh, look at all the pretty seashells. Let's see how many different kinds we can find. Let's build sandcastles. Who can make the tallest one? Let's go swimming. Remember to stay close to an adult and never go too deep. We can toss the beach ball around. It's so much fun. Let's see how long we can keep it in the air. Look at these cool tide pools. Look carefully. You might spot some tiny crabs or colorful fish. Time for a snack break. Let's refuel with some tasty treats and juice boxes. Before we play some more, let's protect our skin from the sun with sunscreen, hats, and sunglasses. Safety first! It's important to keep our beach clean and beautiful. Let's do our part by picking up any trash we see. We had such a fantastic day at the beach, but now it's time to say goodbye. We'll see you again soon. Thanks for joining us on our beach adventure, friends. We hope you had as much fun as we did. See you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this.